clouds gathered in the sky, raindrops fall and people cry. Rivers rise in streets below, no one knew how far they'd go. Holding on through every wave, praying for the strength to stay. Even when the night was long, hope kept singing like a song. When the waters covered all we knew, love was the light that carried us through. What a flood, what a storm, still we found a way to carry on. Hand in hand, heart to heart, even when the world fell apart. What a flood, what a sight, still we chose to hold the light. We'll rise again, stronger than before, together forever. Broken roads and shattered dreams, nothing's ever as it seems. But every sunrise brings new grace, hope is written on every face. Every tear became a seed.